My friends at Brunt sent me some boots to try out. Gotta love the packaging already. Let's see what's inside. So excited. A koozie. Thank you very much. Very cool. Of course, a sticker for the sticker cabinet. Awesome. A pamphlet tells you if your boots aren't tight enough or too wide, you can adjust them. How cool is that? Holy moly. This is some awesome stuff. A shop rag that says Brunt. Had to see how soft it was. Touch it to my face. Some nice Brunt brown paper. And then the boots. Man, these things are awesome. Look at that. I might use them at work at the police department. I love the smell of new leather. So of course, after checking the size to make sure they're right, gotta get a sniff. Yeah. You know you do it too. Man, these are awesome. Good pair of work boots. Can't wait to try them on. Here are some additional pictures of the boots for your enjoyment.